Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. This week for Wok Wednesdays, it's a pork chop crusty roll, one of Hong Kong and Macau's favourite street food. So first things first, you're going to lightly slice into the pieces of pork and then bash it with the top side of your knife. And that will really tenderise the meat and open it up to allow the marinade to soak in. Now the marinade, it can either sit overnight or even at just 5 to 10 minutes and it will still be a great snack. We've got some salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. Some sugar, 1/2 teaspoon. Some white pepper, a pinch of 5 spice. A clove of garlic, finely chopped. Some Shaoxing rice wine. Light soy sauce. Give that a good massage through. And then a couple of tablespoons of corn flour to allow that marinade to stick to the meat. You're looking for a sort of creamy texture of that marinade around the meat. We're going to deep fry this meat. This is by no means a healthy snack, one of those guilty pleasures. My oil is nice and hot. You can see that fizzing with my bamboo chopsticks. That tells me it's ready for frying. Just gently lay your meat. That sweetness of the 5 spice should hit you straight away. Don't forget, I've got the bones here, the spare ribs. Don't waste anything. They're a great snack to gnaw on after you finish your sandwich. When you're deep frying anything, especially stuff like this where it's slightly thicker bits of meat, I've started on a slightly higher heat and then I've turned the heat down to a medium once it's had that initial sort of sear. We're just closing the moisture in and then cooking it through. So now it's on a medium heat and it's simmering away. You can see how quickly that cooks. I'm going to turn that piece. Whoa, look at that. The actual bits of meat don't take long to cook at all. Just turning the heat up, crisp up for a final crisping. And keep that nice and succulent, golden brown. Look at that colour. These bones I'm just going to keep in there for another minute or so. Just so the slightly thicker bits cook through nicely. So there's a place in Macau that does this, where they've designed a sort of homemade deep fat fryer big enough to cook about 100 of these pork chops at a time. Just incredible. And you've got a sort of flat pan, which is all filled with oil just for frying pork chops. Oh, they've got a good crisp on them. Naughty treat, ready to serve. So the quick and easy type of bread for me has got to be an old school crusty roll. Cheap and cheerful. Then some Japanese mayo. Just to finish it off. Look at that. The moment of truth. It'll take me a while. So simple, definitely not healthy. I probably wouldn't eat this all the time, guys, but if you really want that guilty pleasure and a treat, then this is the dish for it. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel.